Hello friends, today we are starting with engineering graphics and drafting. Basically, engineering graphics and drafting is a language with the help of which any designer can elaborate the figures, construction site, automobile design, and many more. Basically, in this graphic language, we are having several topics to discuss. Like we can start with point, line, plane, solid, surfaces, orthographic projection, isometric projection. These all are come under engineering graphics and drawing. When we are talking about the projections, then these subtopics are very important. Likewise, if we are talking about point can be projected in two ways. First is projection in first angle system. Second one is third angle system. The symbol is for angle. Whenever we are plotting or we are making the projections of a point, either the point can be projected in first angle or in third angle. What do you mean by first angle system and third angle system? First angle system stands for, here we are having observer, which is observing, who is observing any object, and here we are having plane of projection, means here anybody is observing the things, here any object is there and its image will be over here. And during third angle projection, observer is there, but projection plane is in between object and observer. As we discussed in the first angle projection system, observer is there, image is there, and object is there. Now, how this is possible? This is the simple rule of image processing. Some light source is acting from this area and some object is there, its shadow will be over there. But in third angle projection system, any light source is over there, any transparent medium is over here, and object is here. It means, I am taking an example. Suppose I am sitting in a bus and somebody outside of the bus is trying to view me or any object, and its temporary image will be on the glass sheet. This is what we are talking about, third angle projection system. Okay, now when we are having any doubt in this, then it is more clear with the symbol of it. Like we are giving a symbol arrow as an observer. Here we will be having a frustum. Frustum stands for circle over here, circle over here, but it is a solid one. Then this complete circle will be over there, but this small circle is hidden one. Due to that, it will be shown by dotted pattern. This is the symbol for first angle system. Likewise, here the observer, here the object, here its image. Image is still dotted one. Now anybody can confused that this image is over here. It can be a first angle projection system, but for first angle projection system, if the image is towards the larger circle or larger base, then from this side this smaller area is visible to us, but this larger area is also visible. Then both will be of continuous pattern. That's why we are saying कि when we will be plotting on the smaller side, smaller circle as dotted pattern, then it is first angle system. Whenever we are plotting on the larger side or larger circle or larger base and we are plotting dotted pattern, then it is third angle system. These two things we can observe, though two different systems. Okay, now somebody can ask why we are not using second angle system and fourth angle system. Why we are just dropping ourselves from first to directly third, not in the second. In later classes we will be having much more clear view, but I am just telling over here, like I am just taking an example. In the first angle projection, first quadrant, we are plotting over here. Okay, this image will be done, this image will be done. This horizontal plane will rotate clockwise 90 degrees to make the complete picture. But in the second quadrant, this image will be overlapped. Okay, this is possible in point, in line, but in solid, in orthographics, in surfaces, in planes, the image will be very cumbersome. It will be overlapping one and another. That's why we will not be able to plot these images properly. Okay. Due to that, we are only using first angle system and third angle system. In the later classes, we will be having a very deep view how these are plotted up. Okay. If you have any query, you can contact through comments. I will be giving my number in description. Thanks a lot.